Welcome back to 12 Days of Beauty and Chit Chat. Today is day 6. And on day 6, we're actually going to be getting into how to create this chunky glitter cat eye. Very festive for the holidays. This look can definitely be worn to maybe like a formal Christmas gathering or holiday gathering or wherever you're going to with this bold matte lip. I definitely like how this look turned out. If you would like to see how I created this look, stay tuned and watch this video all the way to the end. And if you have not yet, girl, please stop what you're doing and hit that subscribe button below. I would love to have you here on my channel as a subscriber and a supporter of my channel. I really hope you enjoy this video and my other videos. I definitely have, be sure if you haven't to catch up from day 1 through 5 of my 12 Days of Beauty that I've uploaded already here on my channel. I hope you enjoy. Please leave some comments below of suggestions that you probably would want to see on my channel that you think would be a good fit. Definitely, like I said, I enjoyed doing this look. I think it's easy to do. It was affordable. And I hope you can do it as well. If you really enjoyed this look, just stay tuned. Watch the video all the way to the end. Be sure to hit that thumbs up. And with no further ado, let's get into this chunky glitter cat eye. Bye. Alright, you guys, so welcome back to day 6 of Beauty and Chit Chat here. So today, as you see, we're going to go for chunky glitter cat eye, and we're going to get into a matte bold red lip. Today's routine, you're actually going to see my face routine with no foundation. So I'm going to create this face over here using no foundation. So let's just hop straight into it. And yeah, I've already done my brow, so what I'm going to do now is just set my brow with some Airspun powder. I'm going to take a little Airspun powder and set that area and wipe off that excess. After I set that, I'm just going to take some setting powder. That's your skin color. For me, I have the MAC NC50 Studio Fix foundation. I'll get that all over my lid and go into your some eyeliner. I'm using the NYX Matted Liquid Liner. That's what I'm using. So, make you a good old cat line. I just start from the tip of my eyelid where the tear area is, and drag out. Alright, so that's where we're doing the cat line, just like that. I'm just gonna take some glitter adhesive and I'm just gonna dot that around my, trying to avoid my actual lashes. Your chunky glitter. I'm just using some chunky black glitter from my local craft store. Just like that, easy, right? That's looking like. Then I'm going to take some mascara and get the glue, glitter, or glue, or whatever that may have gotten on my real lashes off. Okay. Just like that. I'm just going to take a little LA Girls Pro in the color Cool Tan up under my eyelash, up under my eyelash. Like to still go in and make it a little bit more defined than what it already is. Just like that. Go straight, and then I'm just going to buff out those areas where I have that other fawn. Not fawn, I want to say fawn so bad. This is Cool Tan in the LA Girls colors. Born This Way Sculpting Concealer. 2 drops of that. Butterscotch is the color that I'm using. I'm going to take a little buffing brush and blend all of this together up under my eyes. Use my Fenty matchstick in the color Espresso and carve out my contour. I think this is a cool, simple look to go like, I don't know, you can go anywhere with this look. It's a nice little cute, simple holiday look. I think I say all my looks are cute and simple. But if I don't boost me up, who's gonna boost me? And blend, blend, blend. Here's my 56 brush. And that's what we're looking like so far. Set all that with my Airspun palette. I'm gonna take my bronzer from Fenty, Mocha Mami, and go back over that area, warm it back up. Real simple routine. So that's where we're at with that. I'm kind of gonna let that sit right there up under my eye while I get my lash on. Get this lash on. I'm gonna take some green eyeliner and put it on the outside of my waterline. Just like that. Just put this on right quick. I have to put my bottom mascara on off camera and dust off my setting powder with my Milani and MAC. My Milani bronzer, baked bronzer, and my MAC and C50. That's what I've dusted the Airspun off with. I'm just going into my NYX Vintage and Cherry Skies in the center. Just like that. This is gonna make a real pretty red matte. And for highlight, I use the Juvia's Place Loose Pigment. And that's what that looks like. I really like this red. The Juvia's Place Loose Pigment that I'm using is the color Nubia. But yeah, this is just the finished look, you guys. Thanks so much for tuning in to day 6 of Beauty and Chit Chat. Once again, I know it wasn't a lot of chit chat going on. I just want to go ahead and get through with this look. Very simple glitter cat line, chunky glitter cat line. And yeah, thank you guys so much for tuning into this video. Be sure to catch up if you haven't caught up on my day 1 through 5 up until day 6, which is today. 12 days of beauty and chit chat. Make sure you catch up and stay tuned for the rest of my 12 days of beauty here on my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you haven't yet, please subscribe and like, and just share my videos and watch a couple of more videos, even if it's not with the 12 days of beauty. I am so glad to have you here on my channel. And with no further ado, peace, love, and blessings until next time.